What?
We have a guest. Hold on, we will continue this. I'm admitting the guest.
कहाँ है?
आपको इतना एक सॉलिड पॉइंट बोलना था ना अभी.
अरे
Like
हम इतना
it would
लेक्चर वेक्टर
have been a very
लेक्चर
good
वेक्टर.
conclusion. So, hello guest.
कौन है गेस्ट?
He's
वो
connected
हमको
to
पता
audio.
Guest
नहीं
is
नाम.
guest. I'm happy the guest has guest only written.
Guest is very smart.
Guest is smart.
Guest is also
Only
Guest is
unmute.
OG.
Guest, please unmute.
Guest, please tell us your pronouns.
Hello.
Guest.
Guest is sleepy. Or
I'm not.
Sorry,
I guessed.
your voice is a little muffled.
Sorry. Yeah. Now can you all hear me properly?
Yeah, much
Yeah,
better now.
Oh,
Cool.
what's
Hello.
up?
Thank you for joining.
fine. Yeah. Sorry. I saw y'all post very late. I thought it might have got. It's ended.
No,
We
there's
were
no-
actually close. We were actually coming close to a conclusion of a normal episode we were doing, but they were very excited कि चलो guest आ गया.
But
Nice,
actually,
nice.
I think this is a good segue. I actually want to ask our guest this question. How do you
हाँ,
Yes,
we
how do you define purpose in life, and have you figured out your purpose in life? Because this is what we were talking about.
party.
Okay. Purpose in life, like as a personal perspective, or getting loaded by family members and following that in that perspective.
No, from your own
नहीं, खुद
perspective,
का.
like khud ka, not
You
not
frame your own
not
definition of
what
perfection.
your family needs wants for you to do, what you want to do.
You frame your own definition because all
Kuch
three
nahi,
of us
just
have
enjoy.
different
Don't let anyone else interfere. It's your life. You live it your way.
Yeah, okay, fine. So that is how you live your life. But what is your purpose? Like what is your purpose for through life as a human being?
Help others.
Interesting. So yes,
And it has you like have there been any incidents until now where you help people, and how did you realize that helping others is what you feel your purpose is? Like, has there been an incident?
Because when like it's the best thing to do when someone is in need, you should stand with them. Like agar aise hota ki if you're alone and you want someone, and if that person who I've helped and he's the only guy who can help me out, so he won't hesitate to do me, no. And if I would have turned him down and he's the only person who's helping me, he's able to help me, he'll be like, अरे चल जा यार, तू मेरे को हेल्प नहीं किया, मैं तेरे को क्यों हेल्प करूंगा. तो वाई रिवेंज, तो वैसा रिवेंज गेम हो जाएगा, नेगेटिविटी ये होगा. फील पॉजिटिव, हेल्प अदर्स.
But let's say someone does that to you, someone doesn't help you in terms of need, then you'll also be bitchy, you know, you'll also be like, fuck yeah, bitch. Or you
Yeah,
won't be.
that this has happened कि like हाँ कि मेरे को इसको हेल्प नहीं करना है, पर थोड़ा सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन होता है यार, अगर वो वैसे बन रहा है, सो व्हाई शुड आई बिकम लाइक हिम. थोड़ा हेल्प
Nice.
कर देते हैं, बाद में जो होगा देखा जाएगा. अगर ही इज
Yeah.
अप्रिशिएटिंग इट, तो उसका माइंड आई एम एबल टू चेंज. नो, नेक्स्ट टाइम ही वोंट बी वेटिंग फॉर मी. जैसे काम खत्म होगा, ही विल बी लाइक, भाई तू जैसे तेरे को हेल्प चाहिए होगा, तू बोल दे, आई विल बी देयर फॉर यू. सो ही विल बी presenting himself
You want
by
to set a
himself.
good
I won't-
example. You want to set a good example maybe for
Yeah,
that person.
yeah, kind of, but not always. Some people are like that कि like जितना भी help करो, they'll be like, अरे यार अपना काम से काम रख. Okay, you help me, I won't help you.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Nice.
Can you share some
Nice.
incident, something in particular,
Interesting.
like and give us an analogy of like when this has happened to you, like because this is very general, na? Ki, like, you know, we've all been like, okay, we have one more guest.
बाप रे बाप. नहीं
Admit.
उसको ना ना
बात
ना
है,
बोलते.
आप
हम
ले आओ.
admit कर दिया.
नहीं ले आओ.
We'll continue this
करो ना
conversation.
admit. आज भाई ये
Admit कर लिया.
very interestingly when the next
बाप
guest.
रे
Hello,
बाप.
new guest.
अरे wait,
Again, we
nice.
got very smart people.
Guest is connecting to audio. Wait, why do you
Acha,
start
acha.
talking?
Acha, wait, we need to do guest one, guest two.
Wait,
Guest one, we'll still hear your incident.
I'm changing
And
the name.
guest
Yeah,
two,
cool.
hello. Yeah, yeah, make sure it's not your real name. Yeah, great. Thank you. Of course. Awesome.
I
Guest
love
one.
these
Hello,
guys.
guest with an exclamation mark.
You're on mute, by the way. Guest number 2.
Hello.
So you might want to unmute.
I'm taking a screenshot of this. This very nice because just when this episode started, we was like, कोई guest ही नहीं आया, अभी दो आ गए.
नहीं यार, I was like interested कि like I was seeing your तुम लोग का देखा ना कि Timpnia and all like known people है, so like why not encourage them? Then I was seeing your thing, the whole episode about bitcoins and all.
Oh,
So like I
क्या
sat
loss
down
हुआ?
and saw the whole episode.
did it help you,
No,
buddy? Did it help
no.
you?
No, I'm
Good.
not doing. I'm into investing, like shares.
Oh,
Nice.
I was actually
you
going
made-
to contact y'all personally and ask for your suggestion कि like सब तीनों मिलके if y'all are suggesting something क्योंकि अभी
सबका रेड
Bitcoin
है
का
अभी,
हाल
सबका रेड है.
अभी मत ही
सबका red
पूछो,
है.
अभी सब
अभी तो
लाल है. हाँ.
23 पे गिरा हुआ है, 23 lakhs पे गिरा हुआ है, like chuck it, नहीं हो पाएगा. 2 घंटा पहले 20 को टच किया था, 22 टच किया था,
बिटकॉइन
उसके
20
बाद
टच किया.
22.
क्या
Yeah,
Jesus.
guess too. You can like unmute yourself at least.
Can say hello, hi. Don't be shy. That rhymed.
Game, yeah, jinx.
That's kind of funny.
Okay.
Guess
Guess
क्या
to,
हुआ,
are
guess-
you? Guess to like if your name or any nothing will be
Okay,
revealed. Don't worry.
Rahul,
Like
I would like to give you a hint. Okay, you're not supposed to say my name. I'll ask you. I'll tell you one thing, and you're supposed to know who am I.
Okay.
I was your batchmate, and I think I was the only guy who called you Pink Lips. Yeah.
pink lips.
I
Yeah.
hear like some Sunny Leon song going behind.
Yeah. वो था ना
No.
बोले.
Wait, I might know. I swear I might
ठीक है.
know. Bro, no
ठीक
way.
है, अभी
Because I
रुक
was
जा.
the only guy, and he told me not to do that publicly.
Oh,
Who the hell is
Oh.
this person?
yes, please. Guess two. We waiting to for you to unmute yourself.
Okay,
Rahul,
guess to just put up a like. You guys will not be able to see a message in the chat saying, "Should I reveal some of Ishmeet's unrevealed stories?" Bro, I mean, बहन
Sister,
जो भी.
maybe. Should I just?
देखिए तो एक मिनट, what my sisters are up to. Just hold on a moment. What if it could be one of them?
Oh my God.
to guess what the guest one is. Rahul supposed to like guess
Yeah,
your
you
name
all
and
supposed to know me. Yeah, like yeah.
We all are
he
supposed to
knows
know
I
you.
think. Yeah, I'm your batchmate.
you
kind
all of
of.
our batchmates,
Yeah,
but from school.
yeah.
Obviously, Joe. How else will the
हाँ
person
यार,
be
from
our
school,
favorite?
yeah.
क्या कार्टून आदमी है तुम भी. अच्छा, who
पता
was
नहीं
your
इसका-
favorite in school? Out of the three of us.
Among three of you, Rahul approached me beforehand, so yeah, he was close. He was a
वो
close
तू
friend.
तू
I can
11
say
में
you
join
and-
किया है.
No, way before.
What?
Smith was in Loyola. Rahul was in Brito.
No.
You and
I was in Gonzaga.
Okay, Gonzaga. He was in Brito.
Yeah. Rahul was a former captain. Guess two. Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
getting very
Anxious.
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 Please. Yeah, put up. Tell what stories you have. ऐसे बोल के मत गायब हो जाओ. आप बोल दो chat. And
Okay, that is absolutely fine. But just unmute yourself and like start talking,
let's not. I'm scared.
bro. It's
Why?
okay.
क्या है तेरे
us.
ऐसे secrets?
Everything will be spilled.
क्या guess to unmute कर रहा है कि नहीं?
Okay. Guest one question to you. Did you leave Xavier's at any point?
Yes, in class 8.
Huh.
8.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I
Yeah, Rahul, I think he knows who am I.
bro, what the hell, dude?
Yeah, I should know. Yeah, this is bad.
Tell some more of these. Give some more hints. No, some more lollipops that we can hang on to. Thoda,
I mean,
He used
that's
to
a-
be
might be
there
able
with
to identify.
samosas not to like defeat him and jumps and races and all his house. High jump,
क्या?
long jump. Like samosa
Oh.
provide. Like I'll treat you for
Oh,
it. samosa
blackmail
if you
करता
don't
था
win
इसको.
and all.
No, blackmail, but okay. Yeah.
यार ऐसा तो लोग था.
I have no idea. I'm blank.
Actually, even I'm drawing a blank only. I think
Bro, nobody
You
else. Nobody else
Okay,
used
let's-
to call,
let's-
like very few people call me Pink Lips. and that also started at that stage.
At
Before,
certain point of time,
Yeah,
yeah, at
yeah.
certain point of time.
And after
I
that,
had no
Anshuman
idea
became
Rahul
Pink
used to
Lips.
be called Pink Lips.
Don't ask, bro.
No name. When Rahul? When? Anyway. Wow, the conversation shifted from
Yeah.
purpose in life to purpose
Ah,
of
yeah.
finding
Rahul.
what guest two
Yeah.
has to say.
Yes.
तो
Okay.
ठीक है. So basically अभी आप हम I'll give you a summary till now. Ishmeet basically थोड़ा दुविधा में है, वो anxious है. He's doing phone a friend. He's called guest one because he's making a bucket list right now to understand what his purpose is.
In
कोई
life,
इसका
huh?
junior,
Purpose in
yeah,
life.
हाँ.
purpose in life. कोई इसका junior अभी Python सीख रहा है. कोई मतलब बप्पा का बिजनेस संभाल रहा है. He doesn't know what to do. Ishmeet को पूछा कि भाई मेरा पर्पस क्या है. Ishmeet's like even I'm confused. Fuck. So you're supposed to help him solve the problem and give him some direction.
Or
and
actually,
tip
just
him.
tell us what is your interpretation of purpose in life? Because I feel like everybody's interpretation of purpose is very different.
हाँ.
So, कुछ
Yeah, they don't match. Like it's just like blood group, no. Like no fingerprint, no. Like purpose सबको का अलग रहता है because सबको अलग अलग phase से गुजरा हुआ है. They have experienced
हाँ,
something else that you won't, or you haven't, or you wouldn't in future. So that time phase has gone. तो सबका purpose अलग होता है.
No, purpose अलग होता है. That I understand and I agree with you. My point is purpose का interpretation अलग होता है. Means like
हाँ.
what I think purpose is in life is like what you do right at the what you're working towards for your whole life or whatever.
Like say सबको purpose in life, like I said, help other people. सबको like they'll join NGO and they'll be like okay help other people and all. पर सबको को वो नहीं चाहिए होता है. सबको को एक profit चाहिए होता है. Okay, if I'm helping you, I'm keeping my eye on you कि मेरे को तेरे से profit मिलेगा. That's why I'm helping you.
There is a
ये भी
selfish
होता
motive
है.
basically.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
Ulterior
So,
motive.
I have another question. Follow up for guest one. Do you think purpose is always a selfish thing? Like in the end of the day, do you like do it for yourself or a kick for yourself?
Not kick for a self, but everyone is selfish. ये होता ही है कि like सब कोई एक point of time में कुछ भी work कर रहे हैं तो उसका result अच्छा और positive ही आए और मेरे ही कोट पे वो बॉल कोट मेरे पे ही गिरे वैसा करके like do anything. You think about yourself, you put yourself in the center and you think कि अगर मैंने ये काम किया तो क्या क्या रिजल्ट आएगा, क्या इफेक्ट होगा. ओके सेल्फ अप्रिशिएशन, बाकी पब्लिक लोग को लगेगा ओके हेल्पफुल पर्सन है. व्हाट अदर पीपल लाइक दूसरे लोग के आंखों के सामने क्या बनना है. तो वैसे करके सेल्फिश मोटिव होता है.
होता है. True. I agree.
Like for example,
Hmm.
like I don't know if this would PM care find okay. सबको ही we're putting screenshots कि I've done the, I've donated this much, I've donated this much. Insta में पूरा चला. Okay, if you've done that, why you're supposed to like post it and brag about it? कि okay हाँ तुमने किया है. Okay, you helped it. I don't know where the money went, but you helped.
Don't know
उसके
where
बाद
the money.
everyone is silent. I literally thought कि जो भी like I picked up some guys and I thought कि like ये लोग को पूछना चाहिए भाई तूने 10,000 दिया ठीक है तुम ऐसे चलते चलते किसी को भी ट्रस्ट कर दोगे भाई तू पैसा ले ले चल जा मेरे को नहीं चाहिए एंड आई ब्रैग अबाउट इट. ऑब्वियसली सबको को ब्रैग करना था, सबको को बताना था ओके दिस थिंग इज देयर, मैंने इस पे डोनेट कर दिया ओके आई एम अ बिग पर्सन. उसमें थोड़ा सेल्फिशनेस था. अगर नहीं पोस्ट किया सब लिटरली सबको ही कर रहा था पोस्ट. तो अगर वैसे अगर पॉजिटिव वे में करना ही था तो वाई ये करना. जैसे अगर 10,000 दे पा रहे हो तो लाइक इफ अ पुअर पर्सन इज हंग्री और समथिंग व्हाई डोंट यू गिव हिम बाय हिम स्नैक्स और फूड एंड यू गिव इट टू देम और गो टू एन ऑर्फनेज एंड फीड लाइक ऑर्फन किड्स. वो भी तो कर सकते थे ना.
So basically what you're saying is okay, we have one more guest.
क्या ये गेस्ट टू तो बात नहीं कर रहा पहली. तुम तीसरे को ऐड करोगे. गेस्ट वन है कौन? I can't.
I know guest one.
No, I wanted to talk to y'all for a very long time, so that's why जैसे Insta खोला, I was playing COD. Insta खोला, देखा, I was like भाई luck पे होगा, they let me in, I'll have conversation. I want to have conversation with them, and I like connecting बता रहा, I was like भाई please ये ना बता दे, the class ended, sorry the thing ended. I was like then
Class ended. BT चल रहा है इसका.
अरे
Class
zoom कर करके वही हो जा रहा है.
No, so okay.
So, हाँ yeah, issue to purpose in life. I know जैसे childhood में I know कि like you're outright, like you're outspoken. तुम कुछ छिपाते नहीं थे. So you're good in public speaking. You can be a motivator. You can encourage other people. You go in that stream. वो हो सकता है. Like that can be a career for you.
एक अभी guest 2 चला गया.
No, I removed guest number 2
His bad
because
luck.
it is absolutely
His bad
Wait.
luck.
I sent guest to a message. We are waiting. Guest to exclamation mark. Then the guest to say, "You sure you'll regret?" Not the person left.
बाप रे
it's his
बाप
bad
ये
luck. It's his-
heavy काफी toxic energy. Guest 3 आ गया. Let's welcome guest 3. Hello guest 3.
Hello, guest 3. What is up?
Also, you're on mute, so you'll have to unmute yourself.
क्या हो रहा है भाई लोग?
I feel like people don't understand the concept of unmute. Just kidding.
No भाई, they understand. They understand.
Yes.
Well, guest 2
Guest
did
three.
not.
How can I,
Hello.
how can I
Hello.
remove? Hello. How can I remove the DP on my?
It's okay. So I
That
don't think the DP is
we'll-
visible on the recorded
Yeah.
thing.
And
won't be.
we'll remove it if necessary. So
Don't
that's
worry.
fine.
हाँ, put a sticker on it or कुछ.
Yeah. So anyway,
I guess-
guest number 3. So this is what the discussion is until now. Ishmeet has had issues in finding his purpose in life. He has basically made a bucket list of things he wants to do practically before he dies, which includes becoming a scuba diving instructor, flying a plane, etc., etc. But in my personal opinion, that does not translate directly to purpose. That just translates to things he wants to do. What is your take on what is your take on purpose in life, and what do you think your purpose is if you've identified that?
If I'm talking more as if a concerned human being, then like the purpose in life would be to always like take the first step forward about helping people and all of that.
Let's just say
सब मतलब भाई एक ही ट्रेन जा रहा है. Everyone's latching onto it.
But on a personal thing, like the purpose in like number one purpose in life for an individual should be like to achieve something for himself.
Right.
I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Like-
what have you identified that as?
हाँ.
Uh,
मतलब how do you achieve? मतलब
I'm-
have
so
made
look-
effort.
like taking examples from your other podcasts, like for example, for Rahul, that would be, let's say, like venturing into finance and like Bitcoin mining and everything.
Baap re baap.
Mining
Nice.
I would achieve it would be, you know, how he got a CA. So that would be like a personal thing that he always wanted to have. And he did. And yeah, I mean, I don't really understand like which aspect you're coming at.
Yeah, I'm saying like we are saying essay personally, like when people say you should do things on the basis of your purpose. So have you had essay thoughts of purpose, or do you think about it? If there is one, what is it? Essay general personal gyan.
It's just an opinion. This is what your opinion is.
This is taking a lot of time to think.
ठीक है. Cool. Anyway,
Good. Yeah. Go on.
yeah, we'll move it. Our guest one suggested कि Ishmeet बने public speaker, motivator.
I'll tell you why. I've thought about it, and I've got actually people telling me, somebody told this to me about 10 days back. Or like the same thing, Ishmeet, you are very, like, I was explaining to that person what I felt the person was doing wrong and what she should be doing instead, work related. And they were like, yaar, aap to bahut sahi bol diya. I was like, acha. Anyway, so I've thought about this guest one, but the problem with that is I feel there's something which I want to live by, practice what you preach. I myself cannot motivate. Today I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I was very happy. I know for a fact that no matter how much I force, tomorrow I will not be able to wake up. I'm right now in a position where I'm not self-motivated myself. I'm not then I should not be in a position to motivate others. And in the industry I'm in, like this creator influencer ecosystem, people here don't practice what they preach, and then they give gyan to the
No
rest
one
of the world. And
does. No one does.
No one
I'm
does.
telling
Yeah.
you, wait, 110%. But when this person has 1 million+ followers, okay,
Huh.
the guy is pretending to be a know-it-all. The guy or girl, whatever, is
But see,
pretending to do
like I
this,
would like to
and
cut you
then
over.
Right.
Wait,
see, just
they.
let me finish
Okay, yeah,
once,
yeah,
guess
yeah,
one.
yeah.
So my वही point है कि when they like these guys who got this such, like they are social influencer, right? They influence chain. That's how they identify as, but they don't practice what they preach at all. And I just find it so hollow. I find it so like it's such a vacuum here that I know for a fact that I never want to push myself into this until I know for a fact that I am in a position where I can actually take that responsibility of somebody. If I'm motivating somebody, I'm taking that person's responsibility, tiny bit of responsibility in a way. This is how I think. I can't just do bakchoti. That is what I truly
ठीक है,
believe.
guest one
Go
आ रहा
on,
है.
guest one.
हाँ तो देखो अभी you just said कि he has million followers and all. He's doing that. He's preaching. He's not practicing because he's getting money from it. He's getting monetary profit from it. But as a person, जैसे I didn't know कि 10 दिन पहले तुमको किसी ने बोला था कि like you should be a public speaker because the person तुम्हारे सामने आया ना, he's seen you कि like what kind of a person you are. ठीक है, तो obviously no one will give you a negative. There are people who will give you negative suggestion, but at a point of like this point of situation कि you're helping others and they are telling you this कि oh you should, like I've seen you in person, you were like that, so that's why I suggested you to do that कि you can do that. ऐसे करके million followers, everyone wants to be an influencer. Like कोई भी चाहेगा कि okay मेरे को monetary ये चाहिए तो मैं तो कुछ भी preach कर दूंगा. It's up to them कि like ये होता है कि नहीं. अगर वैसे करना है तो कोई भी लंदर फंदर इंसान आके कोई भी बोल देगा ओके भाई तू ये कर हो जाएगा. जैसे अभी ऑनलाइन में ये इंस्टा पे जब स्क्रॉल कर रहे थे तो बहुत लोग आता है कि ओके like for example I'm saying like you people go to gym, like kabhi
Yeah,
ek baar
kind
bhi
of.
gaya. हाँ तो like you see the trainers who are there look like kid and the people who are coming over there they are like पूरा ये कि like they are full body build up and all, so everyone asks कि like भाई मैं इससे क्यों सीखूं. हाँ ये तो भाई खुद पतला सा है, छोटा सा है, ही स्टाउट, ओके इसका खुद का बॉडी नहीं है, इसके पास सिक्स पैक नहीं है. दे आर पीपल आर मोटिवेटर्स, ओके they are preaching and they are practicing and they are helping you out. अब जैसे कुछ भी कोई फेमस होगा एंड लाइक शाहरुख खान आ गया, he won't be like अपना एक्टिंग स्कूल तो खोल लेगा but he won't go and preach. No, he is practicing acting but he won't go and he will only direct you to that. वैसे बहुत होता है. So it's up to you to choose कि which line is good for you. Not perfect but good for you.
ठीक है भाई, ये काफी हम लोग बोल लिए about life
Oh.
and purpose. Yeah, go ahead, guest 3.
Yeah, one more thing. So like how like you were talking about preaching, so like looking at it, like preaching can always be like your personal goals, like what you set for your personal goals. When you set them, you look at it as if like, oh, this should be as a preaching point for other people, like people around you. So when you set personal points, you're setting as like an example for other people.
Mm-hmm. I get it. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, so when you like be like, I want to be a fit person, then you think that everyone should be like a fit person. Fitness should be something that should be preached, right?
Oh, that's a good perspective.
So that's what I guess that makes sense. Also, one thing which we addressed on in the beginning. So, ठीक है, we've spoken for like 1 hour 32 minutes on this recording. We've had that much. We've spoken a lot. I'm going to edit this podcast and I'm going to have a tough time. But like to wrap up this episode, we could have थोड़ा बहुत ज्ञान from both of our guests, since it's a rare occasion that we have 2 guests who come on to our show. We like some feedback if they could give anything. Like if you all have heard any of our previous episodes, something that you all like or something that you all dislike about our podcast. Or maybe what was your we so started with all this bullshit about life and preaching and all that, but what was your intention and what did you want to share with us when you came and joined this call?
I just wanted to enjoy.
Yeah, like an
You will start
interest in what
getting-
people are doing. I mean,
Okay.
it's really nice that you're putting yourself out there and like discussing real life problems and some things that other people might not get a chance to say, but y'all have made that platform for yourself where you can express your opinion.
Yeah.
So I think, and I really love that. And like I watched every episode, like watched and listened to.
Huh.
And so, yeah, it's nice, having like something to say about it.
Yeah, and we would like to thank you also to be the I think first girl on the podcast, first female on the podcast. It's become too much of a male dominated thing. We like the variety. Anyway, guest one.
Yeah.
क्या तू तो खिल्ली मारने आया है यहाँ पे बस।
No, like now joined now. I wanted to be a part of your podcast, so that's why.
Oh, yes. Ishmit, तू mute है।
I don't know. He's always fiddling around.
ये
with his
हमेशा होता है,
mic.
ये मतलब
अरे
ये
माइक
बोला
में
eight-
ऑफ हो गया
8
था
grand का mic he's bought।
ऑफ हो गया था रिलैक्स गेस्ट वन मैं ये कह रहा था और हम लोग भी यही चाह रहे थे कि व्हाट लाइक हैव यू गॉट एनी फीडबैक फॉर अस इन जनरल ओवर द लास्ट एपिसोड्स few episodes whatever whenever you start listening to us
No, like अभी तो ऐसा कुछ सजेशन है ही नहीं. I'm blank.
तो अच्छा ही बोल दो कुछ यार को अच्छा लगेगा हम लोग को एंड में पल भर के लिए हमसे कोई प्यार कर ले झूठा ही से सॉरी
But okay, fine. Before you say, I really wanted to ask Ishmeet. Ishmeet, you had such a long conversation about purpose, about what the hell you want to do in life. We've got perspectives from Georgie, me, and our two guests.
yeah
Now, have you figured anything out? Has
I
anything
think
helped?
of course it has helped it's given me an insight into how other people also think about it but it's very difficult to define it in even a 1.5 hour podcast so but it's going to help me it's that stepping stone like I said this is a part of the journey so I'm glad this was an important step in the part of the journey and yeah I think it should be good let's see inshallah I do find my purpose someday guest one abhi bhi kuch अच्छा नहीं बोलना है क्या
Inshallah, the boys played well.
No. Inshallah, boys played well.
Inshallah, boys played well. ऐसे डाल देगा ऑडियो पीछे। चलो guys, that was it. I think that was a good, fun recording session. I hope you all are closer to your life's purpose, and so is Ishmeet. Go back to the drawing board, draw up your bucket list, and maybe then you'll have a clear picture of what your goals or what your life's purpose is. Please do drop a like on our podcast, leave a comment. If you're reviewing it on, I think, Google Podcast and Apple Podcast, you can now review our podcast as well. So if you could, give a review, give a thumbs up, heart, whatever that is, it helps us a lot. And nowadays, you can view our podcast on Gaana.com and JioSaavn also.
oh yeah we forgot to say that
It's
guys
actually
We're on
nice,
Gaana
you know.
and JioSaavn,
It's actually
yeah.
nice. Like
Yeah.
you just started and you'll have too many platforms and forums to.
Yeah, exactly.
Like-
So अभी ये बजने दो गाना जहाँ पे you can hear it very, very, very everywhere that you want to listen to. Chalo guys, that's it.
Thank you
Bye-bye.
thank you so much beautiful guests take care everybody
Bye. Good night.